Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize our ev.com subtitles workflow in Adobe Premiere. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Adobe Premiere Pro application. Next, ensure that you are signed in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Locate the window menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. In the Extensions submenu, choose rev.com. Once the rev.com panel, click on the Authorize button within the rev.com panel. A new browser window will appear, prompting you to sign in to your rev. Enter your rev.com credentials and click Sign In. After successfully signing in, you will be redirected back to Adobe Premiere Pro. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been authorized. To import subtitles, click on the Add Subtitles button in the rev.com panel. Select the video file from your current project for which you need subtitles. Choose your desired subtitle options, such as format and language. Once these selections are made, click on the Submit button. rev.com will then process your request for subtitles. You can monitor the progress in the rev.com panel. Once the subtitles are ready, they'll appear in your project. Drag and drop the subtitle track onto the timeline where you need it. Make any final adjustments to ensure the subtitles sync perfectly with your video. And that's it. Your rev.com subtitles workflow is now fully authorized and ready for use in Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.